What is up, guys? I got the Land Rover back and the news is in. I need fuel injectors. What has been happening was the mechanics wouldn't start for them as well. They changed out the oil, put new oil in, ran perfectly fine. And then they took out the fuse for the fuel filter and it still sucked fuel through. That is bad. It's not supposed to do that. And now, once it ran for a little bit, it stopped running because fuel was being put into the oil, which completely stopped it from running. So what's happening is the fuel injectors down here, sun's glare, let me come over here. Fuel injectors down here, and right here, all four of them, or one or two, are staying open. That is bad. That is putting fuel, flooding the cylinders with fuel. That is not good. And they wanted to charge $1,800 for 8 of them. I can't do that. That's too expensive. That's $200 per injector. I'm gonna do it at home. I already bought the parts, $700 worth of injectors. Got any tools? I already took off the bolts for this. There's the intake manifold gasket under this, and all I have to do is remove the fuel ring right here, and then I can get to the injectors. Pretty easy fix. Hopefully it fixes it. Just got to replace the injectors, empty the oil again, put new oil in, and that's about it. Hopefully she runs good, guys. Thank you for keep watching my YouTube channel. I'll post more videos, and let's get on this build.
Trust me.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let you down. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Anything too, so nothing's leaking on the bottom.
Decide if the future ain't life is a positive one. I keep on believing, take up a feeling. With all my mind and love, what's the feeling? Believing everything for the pleasure and love, baby. It's a question of trust.
trust me, I'll be the one.